Hey Steve, so got the pull start right here. Then we got these plugs. That's a 30 amp, 240 volt. This is a 120/30. You got the circuit breakers. You got the choke, the fuel, the electric start. You got 4 outlets. Looks like it has a GFI. Also the circuit breakers, 120, 120. Yep, GFI. Air filter. Got the wheels. Little starter. I had to connect this when I took it out of the box. It was disconnected. Oil. Fuel. It's got a nice paint job. And then I believe this is to drain the oil, because you could feel like underneath the casting there's like a, it's kind of long. Looks pretty big. Got this, and you got a little pin. Put in these holes to keep it up. Got the exhaust. This is just a little cover so I don't think you get burnt. I already took it off. There's another little plug here, I think for the oil. Also, easy oil change. Carburetor. And this I think is just for the fuel, like evap.